Hey classers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the ultimate hub for all your class of clan tips, tricks and strategies. Today we are talking about a game changer, the 6th builder. Unlocking this builder can take your base upgrades to next level. Let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open the Clash of Clan application. First off, why is 6 builder such a big deal? Well, more builders mean faster upgrade, which means you will progress through the game a lot quicker. To get the 6th builder, you need to unlock the master builder in the builder base and bring him over to your village. Here is exactly how to do it. First, focus on the builder base. You need to upgrade your builder hall to level 9. Along the way, ensure you are upgrading key defenses, troops and your resources collector. Step 2. Once you hit builder hall 9, it's time to unlock the auto hut. The auto hut allows the master builder to travel between the builder base and home village, essentially acting as the 6th builder, but unlocking it requires complicating specific upgrades like upgrading the cannon card to level 18, upgrading the mega Tesla to level 9, upgrading the battle machine to level 13. Yes, it's a grind, but trust me, it's worth it. Let's talk tips to make this process faster. At number 1 is effective farming. Number 2 is daily challenges. And number 3 is getting up early. And number 4 is using builder base boost. Once you have unlocked the auto hut, your master builder is free to travel to your village. Just select the option and boom, you have got the 6th builder. And there you have it. With some dedication and strategy, the 6th builder can be yours, making your Clash of Clans journey smoother and faster. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.